Okay, so next. Now, we had a look at sequences, and we're going to have a look at a very special type of sequence called an arithmetic sequence. Let me give you an example. 3, 6, 9, 12. Or for example, 2, 12, 22, 32, etc. How do I make the next number here? Plus 3. And here?
Plus 11.
Try again, KJ. So these are examples of arithmetic sequences. Yeah, each number you get by adding. Each term you get by adding. So for example, what we say is, we call the first term A. So we call the second term A plus some number D. And then the next one we call A plus the number again, so A plus 2D. A plus 3D. So here A is the first term. And D is what you add. We have a name for this. Does anyone know it?
Difference, common difference.
Common difference. So for example, in the sequence 2, 12, for example here, 2, 12, 22, 32, etc. What's the A?
2.
2. And what's the D?
10.
10. Oh yes, we're going to do all of those. Can I scroll down? Yeah. Amanda, yeah? Yeah, okay. So let's try and make a formula here. The first term is A. Whoops. The second term is A plus D. The third term is A plus 2D. So what do you think the nth term would be?
A plus ND.
Almost. N minus 1D. So this, in fact, is our first formula. Please write it down. This is our first formula. Got it? Yes? So let's have a look at an example here using this. For example, what is the nth term in 4, 6, 8, etc. Okay, so let's look at the answer. What's the A here? 4. And the D? 2. So the formula says the nth term is A plus n minus 1 times 2. So that's 4 plus 2n minus 2. So that is 2 plus 2n. Now let's practice this. If I put n as 1, what do I get? 4. Is 4 the first term? Yeah. If I put n as 2, what do I get? 6. N is 3? 8. What if I put n as 10? What is the 10th term?
12.
Try again? 10? 22.
Oh.
Yes? Yeah. What about the 100th term?
202.
202. Got the idea? Yep. Okay. Can I go down? In a minute? Okay. how many terms are in the sequence 7 minus 1 minus 9 dot 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 minus 145. So here I want to know how many terms I have. Well, it's going to be at least 4 because I have 4 numbers, but it's going to be more than 4. You see the dot dot dot? I don't know how many numbers I have. I have at least 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, but there's many more. I want to know how many I have. So firstly, what's the A? 7. And the D?
Minus 1, 4, 5.
Nope.
Oh no.
Minus 8. Now, if you're not sure how to get the D, you can always get it by doing the second number minus the first number. This will give you the D. Anyway, what's the N? We don't know. But we do know what the nth last term is. It is minus 145. That's the UN, the last term, the nth term. And that should equal A plus n minus 1D. So we have minus 145 equals 7 plus n minus 1 times minus 8. So we have minus 152 equals n minus 1 times minus 8. So if I divide by minus 8, that goes in, the minuses cancel, and then 19 times. So there are 20 terms in this sequence.
Only one formula, can you say?
So far, we'll do another formula in a moment. Yep. KJ, doing good? Yep. Can I scroll down?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's have a look at another example of using this formula. So, find A and D if the 8th term is minus 46 and the 19th term is minus 112. Yeah? Yeah? Okay. So, I tell you that the 8th term is minus 46, and I tell you the 19th term is minus 112. So that means A plus 7D should equal minus 46, and A plus 18D should equal minus 112.
You get this?
Because the 8th, using the formula here, So I just changed here, this is here, and this one is here.
19 is A plus 18.
Correct. N minus 1. Yeah?
Minus 1?
N minus 1 is in the formula. Now you realise, I hope you realise, it's not difficult now to find the A and the D.
Yeah.
What do I do here? I can just eliminate. Yeah. A minus A is gone. 18D minus 7D is 11D. And he, thank you, with a minus. Minus 66. So then I get D equals minus 6. I can take this answer and put it back in here, and I've got my A.
If you change the sign.
I don't change the signs, I don't do it this way. I do bottom, I did bottom minus top.
Oh, okay.
A plus 7D equals minus 46. So that means A, well actually we know what the A is because it should be, oh no we don't know what the A is. A equals minus 4. So there you go, I have my D and I have my A. We can even, look, we can even check the answer. For example, what should the 8th term be? Minus 46, yeah? So let's just do a quick check. The 8th term is minus 4 plus 7D. That's minus 4 minus 42, which is minus 46. Is that what we have? Yes. Yeah, so this is correct. This is the A and the D.
Minus 4.
Yeah. Okay, so we're going to do another formula now. Can I scroll down? Yep. So now we want to look at series, arithmetic series. So we want to do A plus D. Well, actually, to be even clearer, we want to do U1 plus U2 plus U3, etc. A plus 2D. All the way up to UN. So what's the last one here? A plus N minus 1 D. And we call this the sum, so we use the letter S. Sn. Sn.
Sn, sum.
Yeah.
It's the second formula, right?
Yeah, we're working on getting it. We haven't gotten it yet. Okay, can I go on?
Yes.
Yeah. So here is how we can get the formula. Here's the trick. What we do is we write the sum backwards. A plus N minus 1D plus, and then we go all the way down to A plus 2D, A plus D, and then the last one, A. Now, here's the next part of getting the formula. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add these two lines together. So here I have 2 Sn equals. Can I go to the side for the moment? So what I want to do first is I want to add A with this one. So let me do that on the side. A plus A plus n minus 1D. So that would be A plus ND minus D. So that would be 2A plus, I guess it's just n minus 1D still. So that's what I get there. So when I add them together here, I get 2A plus n minus 1D. Well, you can kind of see that the A just goes with the A here, and there's nothing to go with the D. Now let me skip the ones in the middle and jump to the end. You see this one here? Plus this one here? It's the same as this. So this is 2A plus n minus 1D. Now, in fact, what's going to happen here is each time you add two of these together, it's always the same number. You actually always get this number each time. And that's really, really useful because if this number is always the same, there's a quick way to add them together. Let me give you an example here. If I said 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, that's the same as 5 multiply 3. What's wrong? Problem? No? Make sense? Yes? So what about here? I have something multiplied by 2A plus n minus 1D. What number goes here? How many of these do I have?
N.
Very good. I have n of them. So now you can say Sn equals n over 2, 2A plus n minus 1D. And that's our second formula. Now, what was your question? Yep.
You said each term if you add it will give you 2A.
Yeah.
Each term.
Each pair, always, yeah?
If you add...
Do you want me to do an example of the next one? Yeah, so the next one here will be A plus D. And then the next one here is A plus n minus 2D.
Okay. That's okay.
It's okay?
Yeah.
Alright.
I thought you will add A plus...
No, I see because I've dots and I skipped them. You got this formula? Yep. Let me give you an example of it. Example. Calculate the sum of the first 76 numbers. No, let's make it small. The sum of the first 5 numbers in this sequence. 2 plus 4 plus 6, etc. Now, the reason I'm doing this is because it's small, so we can see the answer. Can I go down? Yeah. So for example, here, what's the A? 2. What's the D? 2. And what's the N? 5. So if I add the first 5 numbers together, I should get N over 2, 2A plus N minus 1D. So I should get 5 over 2 times 12, so I should get 30. Now let's check the answer. 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10, 18, 12, it is 30, isn't it? So it's right. So why don't you try this one for me? Add the first 100 numbers together in this sequence. Tell me what you get. Do we have an answer yet? Minus. You know it cannot be minus since you're adding positive numbers together. Yes?
10,100.
That sounds a bit better. So let's have a look. The sum of the first 100 numbers, n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1 times d. So that would be 50 times 4 plus 198. That would be 50 times 202. That would be 5 times 2020, which would be 10,100? Yeah? Great. So this formula lets you add many numbers together quickly. Okay, let's look at another example. Quick. You probably did this one in high school as well. You remember it? Yeah. But I think sometimes people in high school, they might write, maybe like in China as well, I think you might write like this, n over 2, first plus last. Is this how you had it? This way, yeah. What about in Korea? Like this or the other way?
Both.
You see both? Yeah? You haven't seen both?
Yeah,
Okay. Alright, next example. Can I go down? Yes. So I want we want to calculate this, the sum of this series. And the only difference here is I don't tell you what the n is. I don't tell you how many there are, okay? So what's the a? 5. And the d? 8. And the n? We don't know. So the sum of the first n numbers is n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. That's n over 2, 10 plus 8n minus 8. That's n over 2, 2 plus 8n. But you can see the 2 can go into these. So you'll end up with n times 1 plus 4n. So then you end up with this. 4n squared plus n. Got that?
Is that how you give the answer?
Yeah, you don't know n. Got it? Right, so look at my sequence. What's the first number in it? 5. So if I just add 5 to nothing, what do I get? 5. So if I put n as 1, what do I get here? 5. Okay? Now, if I add the first two numbers, 5 plus 13, what should I get? 18. So if I put 2 in here, 2 squared
4,
times 4 plus 4? No.
4,
Try this again. 2 squared 4 times 4
16,
plus 2
18.
18. Yeah, I said plus 4 and you said 18. So yeah. So we get 18. Now, if I add the first three numbers together, 5 plus 13 plus 21, what's that? 39, is it? So, if I put n as 3, let's see if we get 39 here. 3 squared?
9.
9 times 4? 36?
Yeah, 36.
Plus 3?
39.
39. So this formula can add as many terms as you like. That's what we're doing here. So for example, if I want you to add the first 100 terms, 100 squared,
10,000.
10,000 times 4,
40,000.
40,000 plus 100, 40,100. So you can add, it doesn't matter, you can add as many numbers together as you want.
This formula.
Using this formula for this example. Yeah. Okay, let's go on to another example. Can I scroll down? Yeah. You tired?
Yeah.
KJ looks tired. What's wrong with you, KJ? Up all night studying physics again? Or World of Warcraft? Call of Duty? Modern Warfare? Arkham Asylum? Help me up here, what is keeping you up?
Physics game.
Physics game?
Yeah.
What's physics game? Half-Life 2? What's physics game? Yeah?
Filling the cup.
Really? Physics game? This is your story and you're going to stick to it. Alright. Here I want to add all of these together. Now, you know what the A is. What's the A?
1.
Minus 1. What's the D?
1.
1. And what's the N? Get everybody. Somebody always says 24, not 24.
How?
Well, we don't know, do we? So the first thing we'll need to do is calculate the n. Do you remember how to do that? We'll say 24 is un, which is a plus n minus 1 times d. So that means 24 is minus 1 plus n minus 1. So that means 25 is n minus 1. So that means n is 26. Now if you think about it, yeah, it is 26, because if you look, you have 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 24, and then here, 25, 26. So you do have 26 numbers here. Right, now that we have the n, we can add them together using our formula. Fn is n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1 times d. So that will be 13 times 23. So what's that? That's 230 plus 69. So 299? Is that right? Is this 299? Can someone check?
Yeah.
It is? Yeah. So if you add all of these together, you get 299. Okay. Can I go on?
Yeah.
Yep. Scroll down? Right. Here's another example. Find A and D if the 27th term is 237 and the sum of the first 12 terms is 630. Tired? Playing physics games as well? Yeah. Alright, can I do this one? Yes?
Yeah.
Okay, so look, the 27th term is 237. The sum of the first 12 terms is 630. So, using my formulas, I know that A plus 26D equals 237. And I also know that 12 over 2, 2A plus n minus 1D equals 630. So these two just come from these two here. And this is using my first formula, and this is using my second formula. I can use it here, and I use it here. Okay, let's clean this up a bit. So this will be A plus 26D equals 237. And then this is 2A plus 11D equals, how do I get this? 105. Yes? Is it?
Yes.
Yes, alright. Now, what should I do here? I think I should multiply this one by 2. So I get 2A plus 52D equals 474. Yes. And here I have 2A plus 11D equals 105. So I can subtract 41D 96369. Yeah. So D goes in that, what's that, 9 times. Is that right? Mm-hmm. Is it 9?
Yep.
Yep. Okay, so this is 9. So, isn't it? I don't have a calculator, you tell me.
Yes, it's...
Is it 9?
Yes.
What's wrong, Amanda? You seem so unhappy. Is it 9? Grace? Is it 9?
Get A.
Now we can get A. So I'll put this in here. So I have A plus 26 times 9 equals 237. So A plus 200, now hang on, I'll get this. 243 equals 237. So A6?
No.
No. It's minus 6.
Oh,
Is it?
No.
What is it then?
244.
3. This minus 6. But this is 234, not 243.
Or
26 times 9.
is what?
234.
Is it?
Yeah.
Alright. 234.
A is equal to 3.
234. So then A is equal to 3. Yep. One more example.
My notebook is finished.
Is it? Congratulations. Scroll down?
Yeah.
Okay. I should write neater.
Why do you write
What's on?
and
Yeah, this is on.
why it's not on?
Oh.
Or Vita.
Yeah.
I know that.
Yeah, but that's not the same as this. They're different.
And it's asking only 3 terms then.
Correct. Okay. So minus 4 minus 5x, 9 minus 7x, and 9 minus 3x are in arithmetic progression. Find x. You okay, Amanda? Okay. You got this? Yep. So, if I say something is arithmetic, what does that mean? That the difference here is 4 and the difference here is also 4. So if I do 10 minus 6, what do I get? 4. And 14 minus 10, what do I get? 4 also. So the same thing is true here if they are arithmetic. If I do 9 minus 7x minus 4 minus 5x, that should equal D. And if I do 9 minus 3x minus 9 minus 7x, what should that equal? Should be D also. So 9 minus 7x plus 4 plus 5x should equal 9 minus 3x minus 9 plus 7x. Yeah. So let's see. That goes with that. That is 5x. Hang on. Minus 14x plus 5x minus 9x plus 3x. I think I get I think I get 6x here, and then I have a 4 and a 9. So that is a 13. So x is 13 over 6, maybe? And it is. Now, Tucken, can you take this number here and put it in here and give me the first term? And then Grace, can you take this number and put it in here and give me the second term? And then Fahad, can you take this number and put it in here and give me the third term? And I want fractions as the answer. Okay, so Tucken, have you got the first one? What is it?
Minus 7.5.
No, I want fractions. Fractions.
15 over 2 minus 4.
No, give me the final answer. Don't make me think about it. Right, who's next? I'll go with Grace next. What's the next term, Grace?
Minus 6.1.
No, fraction.
Minus 37.
Minus 37?
Yes.
Okay. And Fahad, what's the last one?
5 over 2.
And Takin, what's the first one?
Minus 23 over 2.
Minus 23 over 2. Right. So, Amanda, can you do this number minus this number? Tell me what you get. And Karar, can you do this number minus this number? Now be careful, there's 2 minuses. So, Amanda?
60 over 2.
Okay. And if we did this right, or I should say if you did this right, Karar, what did you get? Okay, you're keeping us in suspense. What is it? No. It should be the same answer as Amanda. I think somebody made a mistake.
It's not being over. It's not being
26 over 3.
26 over 3.
26 over
For which one? Yeah.
Over 2 minus
Yeah. So I think it was you. I can't count with you for anything, Tekken. No, it's not 23 over 2. What should it be? Okay, I'll do it myself, Tekken. Minus 4 minus 5 times x.
Minus 89 over 6.
Hold on, what did I say x was? Where's it gone? 13 over 6, okay. So the first term is minus 89 over 6, Tekken. Got that? Great. Minus 89 over 6. Is this right for the second term? Good job, Grace. And who gave me the third term? Yeah, alright. So, after class you can beat up Tekken. Yeah. Right, so, this one, Carl, you said was 26 over 3. So this one here is wrong. Tekken, I'll give you a chance to prove yourself. Can you do this minus this, please? Tell me what you get. No, type it into your calculator. Where's your calculator? Dude. And we'll get Grace to double check. Grace, can you give me this number minus this number?
Wait.
minus
Yeah?
100
Minus 21.
over
Minus 6 over 3. 6 over 3.
Minus 37 over 6 minus 89 over 6 is
26 over
26 over 3. Yeah. So the point I was trying to make at the end here is when you put the value for x back in, you do get an arithmetic sequence. What is the d? 26 over 3. And what's the a? Minus 89 over 6. Yeah. You have a bad day, Tekken. Do you have breakfast?
But he didn't ask for A and D, only X, right?
No, he's right, oh yeah. Do you have breakfast? Just bacon and sausage. Sounds like a good breakfast to me. Just bacon and sausage, yeah.
So what do you normally do?
Yeah, exactly, yeah. Right, so what I want you to do is A and B in each. A and B.
Oh, so many.
Do we have maths tomorrow?
Yes,
We do.
Every day.
Do we have it Friday?
No.
Wait, hang on, you don't have any homework from the first class?
No, we did, but
But you did it. Yeah, so?
Normally one of the...
So, you only have this to do tonight.
Still plenty.
Get out of here.